Good afternoon, student of class 10. We already have started exercise 14b from equation of line. I am going to solve some math like math number 7. You can read the math. The line passing through, a line is passing through that 2 point 4 comma minus 2 2 comma minus 3, and that is perpendicular to a line which passing through that a comma 5 2 comma minus 1. Find a. That means what is it said? A line is there. First, any line, I am assuming that is AB, where A is minus 4 comma minus 2. That one is 2 comma minus 3. This is a line. One line is perpendicular to that line, and that is also passing to a point that is, I am assuming, if I give that is CD, that is passing through a point a comma 5. One more point is there, that may be anywhere, that is 2 comma minus 1. Okay, so first find out what is the value of m, that means slope of that line, and you know that how to find out the slope of AB. Slope of any, if the point is given, slope of AB line we know that formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here I am assuming this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So y2, what is the value of y2? Minus 3, minus y1 is minus 2, x2 is 2 minus 4. So what is that become? Minus 3 plus 2, 2 plus 4. That means minus 1 by 6. That is the slope of AB line. And we know that if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then slope m1 m2 equal to minus 1. That means m1 equal to minus 1 by m2. If I assuming the m1 is here minus 1 by 6, so what will be the value of m2? You can see that minus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled, so m2 will be 6. The slope of the second line is 6. Now there is two point is given. On the basis of that, we can also calculate the slope of CD. There is 2 point a comma 5 2 comma minus 1. Similarly, y2 minus y1, that means minus 1 minus 5. Sorry, here is only 5, so minus 1 minus 5. x2 minus x1 means 2 minus a. That is the slope of CD, and that is, we have already calculated the slope of CD, so that is equal to 6. So I got minus 6 by 2 minus a equal to 6. That 6 got, there is only 1 left, so I got minus 1 equal to 2 minus a. So I got a equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So the value of a is 3. You need to understand these things very carefully, and if you understand that maths are very easy. Now I am going to solve math number 14. It is, the figure is given here. You can see that is a square that is in a coordinate x and y. AB is parallel to the x axis. You can see that this line is parallel to this x axis. AD is parallel to the y axis. Find the slope of all its sides. What will be the slope of AB? What will be the slope of AD? What will be the slope of BC? What will be the slope of? Also find the slope of the diagonal AC. Find the slope of diagonal BD. You have to know a formula. If any line which is parallel to the x-axis and y-axis, the slope of them are given. You already learned. I am again showing you. every parallel line which are parallel to the x-axis, the inclination is 0, so tan 0 0. That means which are parallel to the x-axis, the slope of that line are 0, and their inclination, if it is parallel to y-axis, that inclination is 90, and we know that tan 90 degree equal to infinity or undefined. So if a line is parallel to the y-axis, that are having slope undefined, you can see that means slope of the AB is parallel to the x-axis, the slope of the AB is 0, slope of the CD is also 0 because that is also parallel to the x-axis. AD and BC both are parallel to y-axis, so the slope of that things will be undefined. I don't have to solve this, you are able to understand that. Okay, I am going to solve. Okay, math number 17 I am going to solve. Find the slope of the inclination of the line AB. If A and B is given, it is very easy, just use the formula and solve that math. I don't need to solve it. Okay, I am solving the math number 18. You can read the math from the book, what is given there. The point minus 3, 2, 2, minus 1, a, 4 are collinear. Find A. That means collinear means what is that? That means all the points are going through the same line. That means I am taking 3 points on a line. 3 points, A is minus 3, 2. B is 2, minus 1. C is a, 4. You have to find out the value of A. From any 2 points you can find out the slope of line. Okay, that one is x1 y1, that one is x2 y2. From that 2 points I can find out the slope of that line. Minus 1 minus 2. x2 minus x1, that means 2 minus 3. So that is minus 3 plus 2 plus 3 equal to minus 3 by 5. Now if I find the slope between that point, slope is same. Now I am again finding the slope. Here that is 4 minus minus 1, a minus 2. That means 5 by a minus 2, and both are same, as these are slope of the same line. So I can say 5 by a minus 2 equal to minus 3 by 5. Now cross multiply, so 3 minus 3 into a minus 2 equal to 25. So I got minus 3a plus 6 equal to 25. So I got minus 3a equal to 19. So a equal to minus 19 by 3. In this way you have to calculate. All the math can be calculated by using the formula this y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You just have to understand those maths. There is nothing new in this exercise. If you have any problem, you can ask me the question.